Congratulations on your new Spraymaster Power Washer. This video will show you how to use it and how to get the most out of it. Connect the unit to a water supply with a garden hose. After connecting the unit to the water supply, make sure hose connections do not leak, as this will affect the operation of the power washer. Plug the unit into the nearest electrical outlet. Do not use an extension cord. Turn the water on at the supply valve. Firmly grasp spray gun. Point the spray gun in a safe direction. Flip the off-on switch to on. The dual nozzle spray gun has a low pressure and high pressure setting. To activate low pressure, simply lean left, activate trigger, continue. To activate high pressure, simply lean right, activate trigger, continue. Direct the spray gun nozzle toward the surface or equipment to be cleaned and squeeze the spray gun trigger. Use low pressure for soap application and high pressure for rinse. If using a cleaner, priming will best occur by turning the chemical metering dial counterclockwise to open all the way. Turn clockwise after cleaner starts to flow till you get the desired ratio. If using a thick cleaning agent, first prime with water and switch to cleaner after prime. Apply the chemical solution on low pressure to the surface or equipment to be cleaned, and let soak according to the instructions for the chemical you are using. Use high pressure spray to rinse the surface or equipment to be cleaned. Rinse thoroughly. After every use, it's important to flush the system of the remaining chemical. Simply fill a container with warm water, locate the flushing tubing, and insert into the warm water container. Turn the dial to the flush position. Take the wand to the low pressure setting. Turn the unit on and pull the trigger. After a few seconds, you'll notice a small dispensing of chemical that will signify that the system is completely flushed. When finished, turn the system off and place dial back to the centermost position. Make sure the unit is turned off before disconnecting each accessory, and the trigger is pulled to relieve any pressure in the hose. We also have several attachments for the unit. For instance, this is the Hummerjet Junior. It focuses high pressure spray in a centralized area for thorough cleaning. Reduces misting and overspray. You can also change attachments easily with our Quick Connect system. This is our 6-inch Shorty spray gun, a specialized spray gun for cleaning tight spaces. Here is the dual nozzle spray gun. It's a single spray gun unit designed to quickly change from low pressure soap to high pressure rinse with the flip of a wrist. This is our wall and tile brush. It's a 10-inch scrub brush that hooks up to the pressure hose and enables soap and rinse features. Here is a vari-nozzle spray gun. It's a single spray gun unit designed to quickly change from low pressure soap to high pressure rinse by a simple push-pull of the nozzle head. And this is our trap shooter. It's a specialized spray gun for cleaning drains and interior of containers. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy your new Spraymaster pressure washer.